Today we're going to pressure wash a mobile home. We're going to take a before and after video. As you see, this awning, there's a little bit of dirt to it. We're going to have to clean that off. Come around into the carport. Now that's some kind of tar up there. I don't think we're going to be able to get that off. So here's the finished product of the pressure washing on the house we did today. Up there, that's, like I said before, that's some kind of tar from the roof. But they down here look pretty good. Bricks cleaned up good. If you remember, over here was a big old green spot. Yeah, looks almost brand new. Got up in the awning. Around in the carport. On the sides, up in the carport. Yeah, it was a mess up in here. This looks good.